Once we have our grid set up on both our photo and our paper, we will start drawing. We will look at each square one by one and draw everything we see inside of that square. Once you have the first square done, you will move on to the next one and so on. Depending on what kind of color paper you use, you can decide if you want to use a white pencil or a graphite pencil. Just make sure you look at all of the lines and where they fall on the squares. If you need to erase something, you can use an eraser. Just make sure that the design on your paper is the same as the design on your picture. Once you have the main drawing done, just make sure you go back and add all of the little details to your drawing. Once you're done with your drawing, make sure you erase the grid so we will not see it through once you start putting color to it.